Trust me when I say this is like the 5th time I've tried to film this video. Oh my goodness, lighting. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm bringing to you a very small collective haul. I feel like it's quite small. There's not that many things here, although there's a lot of bags. Picked up a few new bits and pieces for the new season. A lot of the stuff that I bought last year no longer fit me, so I thought now would be a perfect time to update my wardrobe and get some new bits and pieces in and fall in love with autumn all over again. I will leave links and anything like that if there's any of this stuff available in the down bar as usual. So the first place that I went to is actually good old Primark, and here is the obligatory or whatever big huge bag that everybody has. Trust me, this isn't as full as it looks. First thing in here that I have is this very basic dark aubergine coloured rib neck long sleeve top, which is a must for this season. Obviously this colour just screams autumn, but I do love pairing these with jeans and dresses and skirts and things like that, and it adds a really nice sort of casual vibe. And I'm always really cold, so having ribbed material tops and stuff like that keep me really nice and snug. I got this in a size extra small because I want it to fit really close to my body. I think Primark has done a good job of updating their material and stuff because it feels so much softer than last year's basics. So well done, Primark, you're finally getting there with the quality of your clothes. Hopefully they will last a little bit longer. I also got that similar ribbed long sleeve in a navy. This one's a little bit more high neck, as you can see here, so it fits a little bit more on the neck, which is great. And again, another obvious staple is having like a turtleneck or a high neck in the winter time, and again it's this really cool ribbed material in a similar cut and size. I should have got like 300 more because I feel like I'm gonna just literally fly through these this season. Next thing in here is a pair of socks, and these socks are in that really like cozy material that you often see jumpers made out of. Don't even know what it's called. I think it's Chanel, that kind of chenille material, but these are so soft, and I feel like I'm just going to stroke everything in this haul because everything is just really cozy and warm. So I lack a lot of colour in my wardrobe. Coincidentally, I'm wearing pink today, but honestly I actually only have about only really wear black and white and grey half the time. So I thought that this season I should do a little bit more colour. So I did see this jumper and thought it'd be nice to add to my wardrobe. It is pink again, but it's in this blush pink colour. It's not really coming up very blushy on the camera, but it is like a really nice sort of, it's a deep blush, I guess I'd say. I haven't worn it yet, but yeah, you can see again it's another really easy basic. The colour drew me to it, which is why I purchased it. So I thought that would be also very nice for this season. I literally only wear these bras these days, which is the wireless cloth kind of material fabric bra things. I literally have worn the other two that I got in the summer to death, and they're looking really ratty already, so I had to get another one. Again, nothing special about this, I just thought I'd mention it because this is all I ever wear now. My size has changed drastically from last year till now, so I needed a pair of jeans that would actually fit my body and not have like massive gaps and baggy bits all over the place, because that's not very flattering at all. So I picked up this pair of jeans, and this is the Primark Body Sculpt Skinny range jeans, which I've actually never seen before in Primark, so I thought, oh, that's new, I've never seen that, let me try it. So these are in a really basic mid-wash blue colour. Truthfully, these are very body sculpting. I think I put them on and they were so tight. But the one thing about Primark I know is that they stretch an awful lot, especially after you've washed them and you've worn them a few times. So I feel like after a few wears they would be perfect and they would fit me very well. But yeah, I don't have a lot of blue jeans, so again, for those casual days, and I have a lot of them especially on Fridays when I can dress down for work, I think I'm gonna try and wear a bit more blue jeans because black is quite basic now and I just wear too many black bottoms. I need to switch it up a little, I feel. The next place that I went to, or the next place that I'll pull out here, is Forever 21, and obviously you get an online order with that one, so this big old sack here, which again isn't as big and as full as it looks. A lot of this stuff is like tops and sweaters and knitwear because it's that kind of time of year. So sorry if it gets a bit boring, but that is literally what I'll be wearing this season. So the first piece that I got from Forever 21 is this little crop top jumper. I'm not usually a crop top fan or a crop jumper fan because I don't really like showing flesh, skin and stuff, and I find it really weird to have a crop jumper. But I think what drew me to this was actually the pattern on the front, which is really nice sporty vibe. So it's got like yellow and blue stripe along the middle there, and I think it just adds something a little extra. Again, it's in a really nice thick ribbed material, which is a must, as I keep saying, but I did definitely like this stripes. I think that's kind of what convinced me to get it, and I'm going to keep doing this in the video because everything is just so cozy. Oh my gosh, this one is so cozy, if you can see it, but just it's heavy, and it's like not heavy uncomfortable, but that heaviness that's like cozy and just warm, and you know it's going to keep you warm, you know you're going to get real toasty in this. Again, what drew me to this was the design at the front. It's very simple, but I think it's effective. I like this little V detail here that we have going on with the white and black, and I think it's a bit of a slightly oversized fit because I did get it in a small as well. But I do like the weight of this jumper, so I think the days when it starts snowing or like horrendous weather, this will be something that I'll be pulling out. And the last jumper from Forever has to be this colour because this is just life. Another one of these yellow jumpers, which I think everybody owns at least one of these in their closet by now. But you know, who doesn't love this colour? Forever 21 accidentally sent me a large. I'm sure I did not order a large, but funny enough, I like how it fits. It does fit very oversized, you can see, so it is a bit drapey. Maybe I could get away with wearing leggings with this, or very, very skin tight trousers. The Body Shop, so a little bit random because this isn't clothing, but I thought I'd throw it in here anyway. I guess in a way, sadly enough, I don't think you can get the stuff in here that I'm going to show you anymore because it was actually a seasonal thing. It's basically the banana range from the Body Shop. I've been wanting the banana range from the Body Shop all summer and I just didn't get round to picking it up. So on the day that I went in there, the girl told me basically they were going to switch over to the Halloween stuff, which is now in stores if you're watching this video. So unfortunately, I don't think you can get the banana range anymore. But I thought I'd just mention it anyway because I totally love banana. I love the smell of banana. I'm like obsessed with this. I mean, look, I just picked up as much as I could really on that day. I have another pot of this actually in my bag somewhere. Oh, it just smells so good. I feel like banana shouldn't be seasonal. It should just be like an all year round thing because it's just the best scent ever. I just want to eat it. It smells so nice. So next place I went was actually to River Island, and I had a voucher from my dad from ages ago for River Island. River Island isn't usually my style, to be honest. Coincidentally, this cardigan is from River Island, but anyway, we'll go into that. But yeah, it's not really my style. I don't really like clothes from there because a lot of it's got the River Island logo in it and I'm not really a fan of that. But I did go in there and find a pair of trousers that I really liked. Again, this is nothing to like write home about, but I like the quality of it and it's quite simple and very, very good for work, as I was looking for a new pair of work trousers, considering all the ones from last year no longer fit me, which is quite sad. But they look like this and they have this belt across the top, which I think just makes it, I suppose, and it's just a really, as you can see, basic slimline trouser, very heavy, so I feel like very good and sturdy and will last me quite a while. Thanks a lot, Dad, if you're watching. Probably not, because he doesn't watch my videos. Yeah. Hey, thanks, Dad. TK Maxx. It's this flask, and this flask is actually leak proof, which is incredible, so I know with me. I'm always like throwing things in my bag and it like spilling everywhere. This is great if you want a coffee, a tea on the go. Obviously you can just fill it up and it lasts for ages. This is by a company called Zach Designs. I think it was about £10. It's definitely worth its wear, and as you can see it's rose gold, so of course that adds a little bit of something to it, I suppose. The next thing isn't really from TK Maxx, but I think you could probably find it in there if you looked hard enough. It's actually from ASOS, and I had a voucher that I needed to use up that was going to expire, so I thought I had to do a really quick purchase, and I found this. And it's basically a little rug, but look how cute it is. It's a little sloth. So I've been wanting a rug for this room for a while. It's not like the most practical rug because look at the size of it. It's tiny, but I think it looks quite cute on the floor. And look at the little face. It's so cute. Ah. Who doesn't want to wake up to that in the morning? Come on. So yeah, I thought it would be really nice to add a little bit of warmth and a little bit of something cool and quirky to the room. Sadly, I named it Sunny because that's how sad I am, and I've got nothing better to do with my life, so meet Sunny, everyone. The last thing from TK Maxx is my favourite thing in this whole haul, and you're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. It's a pair of black boots, and they look like this. And I don't actually have something like this in my shoe robe, as you can see here. I do have a lot of like shoes and stuff, and there are some black bits, like black heels and all that, but I don't have anything that's like this tough, studded western feel kind of thing. I've always wanted something like this. I've never found something that I really like, but these I think are really cool, and they happen to be in a size 7, which is my size, so I thought, you know what, this is a sign. I had to get them before somebody else snatched them. They fit really well, and I just love how like they're not too chunky, they're not too in your face. Well, I don't think so anyway, and they just have the right amount of studding and detail on them. And yeah, I can just see me wearing these with like dresses maybe to toughen stuff up, as everyone says, or just jeans, and they're a nice sort of transitional boot between like now and like when it gets really cold, when you have to actually start wearing proper boots. But I love these, and I think they definitely look more expensive than what I paid for them. So I actually paid 25 quid for them, which I think is an absolute bargain. But let me know what you think. Do you like these? Do you hate them? I, for one, love them. And that concludes the haul. That is the end of the haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed going through this stuff with me. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, then go ahead and subscribe. Click that button. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.